Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Sana sebagai naruskeun perkawis ieu teh ya, beas perelek kumaha tos-tos aya.
Tos ayat di RT 1, RT 6, saran di RT 2.
Alhamdulillah tuh pamit tos aya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Beas Perelek Cultural Tradition. Beas Perelek is a community culture to store rice that is stored in plastic cup or cans that are placed near the door of the house. Perelek is the name of the sound when rice is put into storage. This procession of setting aside rice is carried out when the householder want to cook rice. This custom has taken place in Third Hamlet, Kampung Maroko, Mekarjaya Village, Cihampelas Subdistrict, Bandung Barat, Regency.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Pangkuring nepangkeun tua RT 06 Pak Solehudin pribados sejak bewarakeun yakni perkawis perelek. Jadi tiap-tiap bumi ieu ngangge wadah teras dilebetan perelek seueur pisan kangge kagunaanana. Diangge kangge ngabantos umpami tama aya nu teu damang.
This is the social solidarity of the community which is still maintained and preserved as a traditional knowledge. The rice collection is carried out by the neighborhood staff in the afternoon or evening, while on night patrols. Furthermore, after the rice is collected, it is deposited with the management of Hamlet to be stored as a form of food defense for the Maroko village community.
Assalamualaikum, nepangkeun nami abdi Henry Hidayat, jabatan Ketua RW di RW 02 Desa Mekarjaya, Kecamatan Cihampelas, Kabupaten Bandung Barat. Bade nguningakeun panginten perkawis tradisi masih ku abdi dilestarikeun di lingkungan abdi nyata kegiatan beas perelek gitu. Alhamdulillah atos berjalan selama 2 tahun. Nya tujuanana nya kanggo mengangkatlah perekonomian gitu. Jadi bisa saling membantu, bisa saling memanfaatkan untuk di wilayah gitu.
That's enough and thank you. Hopefully it will be useful for cultural science. Sampurasun.